In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a whiteboard in Canva. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device. Once Canva is open, click Whiteboard. That single click creates a fresh, infinite canvas designed for planning, teaching, and brainstorming. And just like that, you now have a whiteboard ready to go. Think of this board as a flexible space where you can map ideas, outline projects, sketch workflows, or run a quick lesson. The interface keeps everything simple. Your canvas sits in the center, and tools for creative building sit along the side. There's plenty of room to spread out, rearrange thoughts, and keep your content organized as it grows. From here, you can do anything with it. If you're starting from scratch, you can keep it minimal and build piece by piece. If you prefer a head start, you can add templates. Templates give you ready-made layouts for mind maps, timelines, retrospectives, and more. Choose one that fits your purpose, then tailor it to your style by adjusting colors, swapping placeholders, and refining the structure so it reflects your ideas. Next, put elements on the board to bring your content to life. Elements include shapes, lines, arrows, icons, stickers, and photos. Use shapes to group ideas, arrows to show direction or relationships, and icons to make points instantly recognizable. A few thoughtful visuals can clarify complex topics and keep collaborators focused. Keep contrast in mind so everything is easy to read, and use consistent sizes to guide the eye from big concepts to finer details. Then, put text wherever you need words to explain or label. Start with a clear heading to name your session or topic. Add subheadings to divide sections, and place short notes or labels near related visuals. Pick fonts that are clean and readable, and use color and weight to highlight priorities. Short, punchy lines usually work best on a whiteboard, enough to capture the idea without crowding the space. As you add templates, elements, and text, step back periodically and scan the board for clarity. Group related items, leave breathing room around key points, and keep a consistent visual language so everything feels connected. And that's it. Open Canva, click Whiteboard, and your workspace is ready. With templates, elements, and text at your fingertips, you can build a clear, engaging whiteboard that suits any purpose from brainstorming to teaching.